Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pineapple Mor Kulambu. Very delicious South Indian Kerala recipe that is usually served with steamed rice. Very easy and a quick recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add half cup of coconut, 3 green chillies, 1 small piece of ginger, a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind this to a very fine paste. Keep this ready. Heat a mud pot and to this add half cup of chopped pineapple, few curry leaves, 1 green chilli, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of chilli powder. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Let this cook for 5 minutes until the pineapple is well cooked. After 5 minutes the pineapple is well done, so go ahead and add the masala paste and cook for another 5 more minutes. Then to this add 200 ml of beaten curd and immediately off the flame, else it might curdle. Finally temper with some mustard seeds, curry leaves and dried red chillies. Give it a quick mix and our delicious pineapple Mor Kulambu is now ready. Allow it to cool completely, then serve it with a bowl of steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe, so do try this Pineapple Pullisery or Mor Kulambu recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.